Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up a checkout code for a discount on your Shopify store. Once you are on your Shopify dashboard, as I am currently, what you're going to want to do is go over into the menu on the left and click on discounts. Here you can click create a discount to create a discount of these several types. As you can see, you can create a discount for the amount of products, the buy one get one free or buy X get Y discount, an amount off of the order discount, and free shipping if you wish. Now I'll just select amount off order, and as you'll see, I have the method set to discount code by default. You can set it to automatic discount, and then the discount will automatically be applied. But if you have a discount code, you can click here to generate a random one, or you can enter a code of your choosing. For example, I want 20% off, and then as you can see, customers must enter this code at checkout. You can set the discount value for percentage, in this case 20%. Then you can set the minimum purchase requirements if you want. I'll add 1,000 for an example. And customer eligibility, all customers. Maximum discount uses, you can limit those to 1 use per customer, or the number of times the discount code can be used in total. The combinations, either with product discounts, order discounts, or shipping discounts, by default they're all off, but you can set them to whatever you would like. You have the start date and the start time, and you can also set the end date if you want. And yeah, once you're done with that, you just click save, and now you have a discount created, and people will be able to use it on your website at checkout. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.